All right, guys, you have to know your personality. I struggled with returning parts for a long time. I got 2 shelves of parts because I've never liked to take anything back in my entire life. I always looked down on it. I always felt like I had, even when I was broke, I felt like I was rich. So it was beneath me to take stuff back. Just honestly and truthfully. Let me just be honest with you guys. And man, that started eating away and eroding my pocketbooks, my money, my wallet, because I would not take things back. Now I'm at the point where I see that it is a necessity when I am buying parts, that I know that for a fact that might not need to be installed on an appliance because I'm trying to have first call completes. That is the business model that we have with this husband and wife team. And I had to get over myself. So today I'm coming out to Reliable to drop off parts. I'm gonna have to pick up some parts before I start my run today. And this has been quite a journey for me to admit that I was wrong, because I'm never wrong. And I need to be in control of everything. And that leads me to the next talking point here, is that I have to be in control of everything. I want them people that, I'm not gonna work with anybody because I can't, I need to be able to control every aspect of everything. And when you got all these loose ends, you start losing control. And I don't like to be in situations where I lose control. I like to always be in control. So my wife used to do a lot of the back end, and she wasn't doing it as fast as I wanted her to, so I took it all back. So I do everything right now, and I'm looking at expanding. And man, so it's one of those things. By March, we just got off the phone discussing that I'm gonna have to let go of the back end, talking to customers and talking to the warranty companies, and let her have that. And for me, that's really scary, because I'm giving away my power to make decisions, my power to set the schedule, my power on everything. And I love to have that control and that power. So now I'm here like, man, how is this gonna play out? But I know it's gonna play out well and it's gonna work well, but it's just one of those things that I'm gonna have to get used to and be free about doing, get that back end game, man. See, I'm over the line right here. But I love the back end anywhere I go. It's just one of them things. Old school. Men used to do back end everywhere, pull them trailers and stuff like that. That's why I love pulling trailers, even though I can't back them up worth shit at this point. But anyway, guys, I'm about to head off into Reliable Parts, drop off some parts. Y'all be safe out there. Enjoy your day, but know thyself. If you don't know thyself, then you can't help others, man, because you can't lead people if you don't know who you are. All right, guys, be safe. I'm out.